Good day, everyone. I'm Ted, your host, and welcome back to Night Owl Body Cams. Today, we are off to the airport where we'll be dealing with a Karen that has a problem holding both her booze and her own pee. So, let's get into it.
What's going on?
So the lady came on stumbling. She learned a word. She couldn't walk straight down the aisle.
You guys want her off?
About it, please.
Okay.
With the crew and the captain want her off.
How you doing, Captain? So you want her off the airplane?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I
What-
said,
what's the
no,
issue?
but 24F to the left. She's by herself.
How you doing, ma'am?
Hello.
So this is the captain of the aircraft. He's requesting you off.
Babe, did I do something? Like, what is going on? I have never in my life experienced something like this. And as soon as I came on this plane, people were telling me to get off it. I'm not drunk. I'm not belligerent. I'm not nothing. And people are telling me to get off this plane, and then you have the whole audience
Right, that's not the
bullying me.
perception that everyone else has.
Right, but
The
what
flight
did I do?
attendants are not comfortable. They're not
No,
comfortable.
there was one flight attendant that said something to me, but what personally did I do? I've never been attacked to this magnitude.
She feels that you're under some kind of influence.
Do you feel like
She's not
I'm-
comfortable with you riding on the aircraft? So
Babe,
go back
am I
and-
making
if
you
go back-
uncomfortable when I'm
I
talking
can
to
only
you?
go by what the flight attendants.
But I'm really being harassed and nobody's standing up for me, and that's so sad.
No one's harassing you.
No,
but they're gonna put
I
you-
am being harassed because never in my life have I boarded a fucking flight and people are telling me like, oh, you can't be on the flight because what am I doing?
Okay,
raise
ma'am.
your hand if I did
No,
something
ma'am.
to offend you.
Ma'am, at this point, you have to come off the aircraft.
Like I literally did nothing
Ma'am, this
to
isn't for up.
anyone.
Ma'am, this
And
isn't up
you're
for discussion.
stupid.
This isn't up for discussion.
Literally.
You have to get off the plane. It's either you get off or we're going to deboard the whole aircraft.
What did I do?
I don't want to cause any more.
What did I do?
I just need you to come with me.
You don't understand what that takes of a woman
No,
of
honey,
color?
just come with me and we'll discuss it off the plane. So, do you have a carry-on bag?
You don't understand what
I
that
do
does to a
understand.
woman of
I'm
color.
trying, no.
You're making me
No.
get off a flight because I did nothing.
I'm sorry.
I walked this line.
Ma'am.
And
If
sat
I
in my
cannot
seat like
control you on the
everyone else.
ground, they cannot control you in the air. I
What's
need
happening?
Okay, I need your bag.
You have to
and I
come
need
off, they're
you
gonna
come with-
rebook you.
If you don't come off, everybody's coming off. It's not fair to the rest of the customers. Everybody wants to go. Just come with me and we'll fix everything
Everybody's
up
just
there.
so mad and they don't want to
Miss,
have
come
to
on.
come off.
I'll carry your bag for you. Let me take your bag from you and I'll
No,
carry
it's
it for
just
you.
so fucked up that you guys do this to a woman of color.
It's not anything to do with anything like
So
that.
why am I here?
Because you're out of control at this moment and we need
What
to go.
did I do that was
All right, that's it.
Ma'am.
We're going to go now.
Can anyone
Ma'am, come on.
here tell me
You know what? You're upsetting the other customers. Okay, this is it. I'm not done. I'm done with this. Let's go.
I haven't disrespected anyone.
You actually are disrespecting a whole aircraft.
I haven't
Ma'am, we're not
We're
arguing.
not arguing with you.
I've
Okay, that's it.
disrespected anyone.
Let's go. We're going to take her out. Customers, let me
You want
get
to deboard us?
Yes, we're going to deplane. All right, that's it. We're going to deplane the whole plane.
Ma'am, let's.
You. You
Okay,
didn't
that's
stand
it.
up for
All right,
me.
let's go. This is the rest of her stuff.
All right, so they're a private business. They could deny you boarding. They're going to
What did I
listen.
do?
They're going to rebook
Has
you.
anybody here
Ma'am.
heard me do anything?
Are you good?
Up.
Okay.
And I never said anything. I'm gonna get off this plane because
Go.
you guys are weird
Come on,
and
this way.
privileged.
Go
and
that way. Let's go.
You go that way.
No, you go. Let's
You're
go.
disrespecting me like
Ma'am,
I did
come
something
on,
wrong.
let's go.
Please don't touch me.
Let's go.
All right,
You're going to be
please
arrested
don't
for
touch me.
trespassing after. Come on.
Trespassing on a
Go
flight.
that way.
You're putting your hands on
Turn
me?
around. Let's go.
How dare you?
Go.
Please let me go.
Go.
I'm not a criminal. Let me go. What is wrong with you guys? I literally didn't do anything. You guys are putting your hands on me. You're violating so many civil rights, and you guys are just watching it. Goodbye, drunk. I'm not drunk. Bye, drunk.
Wow. She is now on a, like by the rest of the passengers, I think. I mean, I'm a little surprised that they didn't start singing, "Goodbye, sweetheart. It's time to go." Ba-dum.
Thank you. Please put your hands off me. Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me. What? What the fuck? What the fuck is happening? You guys are just letting this happen. What is happening? You let this happen? Black woman?
She's actually peeing on the plane on the floor.
That's something I don't get. In cases like this, why do they insist on fighting with the cops? It's not going to improve the situation. It's not going to make him decide, well, gee, she's too strong for us. We might as well just put her back on the plane.
Why are you guys grabbing me so much?
You're literally urinating on the floor. That's not normal.
I'm not urinating.
You actually did.
Come on, let's go.
I didn't. You guys,
Wait. Where's 3-1? I don't
you
want to
guys are grabbing me up. I've never been grabbed up by police officers in my
You're out of
life.
control. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should just really
They just
okay.
grabbed me up.
They did not just grab you. It's videotaped. So you can
They grabbed me up.
They did not.
No,
This is the most disgusting thing I ever dealt with in my life. You're telling me I peed a little?
You just peed on the
it's
floor.
right there. What a pisser.
Peed is because 3 officers just grabbed me. Why are you guys treating me so bad? Like I'm a fucking criminal or something. What's wrong with y'all? Yo, I wasn't even belligerent on my.
Oh, so that's why you peed on the floor. Has nothing to do with you being bombed out of your skull or nothing.
Like, you guys just grabbed the fuck out of me because
You just
what?
hit an officer.
I never hit
I
an officer.
heard you hit the officer.
I
Plus,
swear
I saw you.
on my life, I never hit an officer. I
you're just
never
lying,
in my.
so.
Are you serious?
Real serious.
Thank you.
Is she consciously going to the bathroom out there? Or
Nope.
is it just like a nervous
She has no idea that it's just going.
something?
And she's like, no, I'm not. You're standing in a puddle.
I hit an officer.
You hit him.
I hit an officer.
I heard it and I saw it.
You heard it and you saw it.
And it's on body camera. So
Okay. I hope it's on your body cam. I hope and pray it's on your body cam because I know 1,000% I didn't hit anybody. I moved, but I hit an officer.
And it's not much about this woman I discovered. She's one of those women that seems to feel a need to narrate her own life. Oh, I'm peeing? Oh, I'm in handcuffs? Oh. Wow.
Right? You guys are crazy. Wow. The way you treat anybody of a little color skin is crazy. Wow. Never in my life have I experienced something like this. They kicked me off a flight for being drunk. I had wine. 1 cup of wine before I got here. Are you crazy? Nowhere. And I do have to pee, so that's probably why I peed a little when I was being attacked by officers.
Take her airside because they need to move this.
come on, we're gonna go out this way.
And then what?
We're gonna bring you to the station.
So I'm going to a police.
Yeah, we understand. You just had 1 cup of wine. I'm sure the fact that that 1 cup of wine was probably the size of your head probably had nothing to do with it.
Station.
Let's go. Come on.
Never in my life have I experienced something like this.
Watch your step on these stairs.
I'm leaving the airport and I'm going to a police station, sir.
Yeah, police station's here at the airport. Come on down the steps.
How?
Just take her up against the wall.
Take her up against the wall.
We've got to get out of the way so you don't get run over by this equipment.
But why am I? Yo, you guys treated me like a criminal. What the f did I do? Why am I being treated like
Where in
this?
your bag is it?
I wouldn't know because my hands are behind my bag.
Well, you don't need your hands to see. Where is your ID?
I don't know. My
In
hands.
here or there?
My passport is in here. What is happening? Runner, I'm not a criminal. Like,
Well, we
what
still
is
have to have your
happening?
information.
But you guys are treating me so bad, like I did something.
Well, you kind of didn't follow their orders and you kind of
Even
tried to
on the
resist.
plane, I didn't do nothing.
Whatever happened on the plane is between you and the airline. They wanted
Right,
you
but
off the plane.
You're not like, oh, it's maybe the airline girl. Well, some type of way. You're like literally thinking
I don't know what happened on the plane. That's between you and the
I'm
airline.
not that girl. Like,
Okay.
It doesn't matter. God will resolve all this. This is weird. Like, and then you made fun of me because I peed, and I have to pee so bad.
Who made fun of you? Nobody made fun of
I
you.
heard you, babe. I literally heard you. So you guys are bringing me back to the police station because of what?
Because you've been arrested.
Why have I been arrested?
Because of what you did on the plane.
For what?
Push up against the car for me.
Come over here. We'll explain it to you in a second.
Is your dash cam on?
Everything's on.
Everybody's
Everything's on.
Do you have anything on me that's going to poke me?
No.
Okay, I got to ask. It's normal procedures.
What's happening? What the And I'm supposed to go in this car with who? Who am I
One of the officers.
And I'm supposed to trust the officer that's taking me somewhere?
There's cameras.
You know, if they have to explain and re-explain why you're being arrested? Stop debating it. You're drunk.
Everywhere, so it'd be really stupid for them to do something they're not supposed to. We're all wearing it, and it's inside the car.
At this very point, everybody has doing things they're not supposed to do.
Okay.
So I'm very scared for my life.
All right.
literally.
Well, you'll be okay. There's cameras. There's cameras everywhere.
I've literally never in my life done with something like this.
All right. Just have a seat for me. I know.
I'm doing it because I have to, and I have no choice.
You want to scoot in just a little bit?
Like, what the fuck is going on? What the fuck did I do? Like,
Another one
you
coming.
said that you were, but
I got another one. I told them already. We're going to walk that way.
let them do whatever.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm a woman of not criminal whatever this is.
We're going to go in between these two cars, and we're going to walk to that door.
Can I speak to another supervisor, please?
I've already told them. We're going in this room right here.
And who will be in this room?
You're the officer that's completing the report. So
Wait on
come in
it.
and have a seat. Have a seat on that bench.
I would like to request a supervisor immediately, please.
That was her.
Yeah, somebody else. So request your real supervisor, please.
This is the
They-
supervisor that was
Okay,
just
but
here
she
that walked
said-
you in.
She said that there was someone above her when I was in the car here.
Well, I'll
So
see
can
if
you
she has.
request them?
I will see if she's called them. Okay.
So you guys are refusing to request a supervisor to protect me.
We have not refused to
You
request a
are though.
supervisor.
I literally
Okay.
don't even know what's happening.
You're
Like,
under arrest.
what the-
That's what's happening.
I'm-
You've interfered
I
with the flight
literally did
operations of an
nothing
airline.
To be under arrest, literally zero to be under arrest. I would really like to call somebody that gives a f about me, because nobody here does. Can I do that?
right there.
Hello.
Hi.
Can you call another supervisor, babe?
There's not one in the building right now.
There's not one in the building.
Correct. He's out on the road. What is
So can you call him and tell him
I
that
asked him already.
We need
I
him.
can help you with?
you
Yeah, we understand. You didn't do anything to be arrested. All you did was refuse to leave the plane when you were ordered to. Fight with the cops. Oh, well, oh yeah, and peed on the floor. Nothing really.
don't seem to want to help me with anything.
I've tried to answer your questions, and I've tried to
Babe,
explain
you
everything to
minimally
you.
answered my questions, but I'm in a situation. You can clearly tell that I'm not a criminal, that I don't know what's going on.
So I tried to explain everything to you. I
Right,
tried to
you
do this.
explained it, but you didn't handle it, and I would really like somebody to come and handle it because
Nobody can handle it because
me
you won't stop
personally-
talking. The airlines called us
yes,
because of you being intoxicated on the plane and refusing to get off. The airlines could deny boarding to anybody. That is their airline, that is their business, that is
they
their
put
property.
me on the plane.
I understand that, but for some reason,
nevertheless, okay.
some
continue.
reason the flight attendants said that you needed to go.
All right.
So we were called because you refused to leave after they asked you to. So that's kind of a form of trespassing. If someone asked you to leave and you refuse to leave,
I just asked.
I'm
why.
explaining it to you.
Nevertheless,
Okay,
continue,
so we
I
went there,
understand.
and because you refused to get off the plane, we had to then go on there.
So why,
You then-
after the math, am
Right.
I a criminal?
Because
or
when we
in
went to
jail?
go get off the plane, and you were starting to give issues and push back and try to fight back with the officers, that's at
I
that
didn't
point.
touch an officer.
At that point, that is when they detained you and put you under arrest. Right now, you've got, what are we doing, disorderly intox?
So do you guys normally, because I didn't touch anyone. I just said I don't understand why they're asking me to get off, so.
They were trying to get you off of the area and into the terminal and away from the plane so that way they can move the plane. At this point now you're interrupting flight operations. They can't do their flight ops and you're making that whole entire flight delayed because you refused to get off the plane.
Babe, I was a passenger on that flight.
And so were 100 and however many
Right,
people
but I
are.
paid for my flight just
And
like them
they
and
did
didn't
too.
do anything.
Well, that's
I was
between you and the
fired.
airline. That's between you and the airline.
And I have to go to jail for it.
Not that the jail part didn't have to do with that. The jail part is how you acted and what happened when you got off the
And
plane.
how did I act?
That's when they were trying to escort you and get you to continue moving, and you didn't want
And
to,
I
and you
said,
started to
why am I
resist.
leaving?
Right, and you weren't moving.
I didn't understand why I was being asked to move because I've never in my life
I'm pretty
been-
sure they've tried to explain it to you just as many times as I've tried to explain
No,
stuff to you
babe,
so
they just
far.
said, get off the flight, you're this, and I'm just like, I'm not that. I don't understand why I'm being asked to get off a flight. That's literally all that happened. I've never in my life went through something like this. But here I am. So what is happening?
He's going to continue the paperwork, and once he's done with completing his report, everything's approved, then they'll take you down to the jail.
So now I'm going to jail after this.
Well, this isn't a jail.
Okay, and what am I supposed to do there?
At jail?
Yes.
Be there for however long is needed for them for booking, and then you'll be able to make your phone call and you'll get released.
Because I did what?
Because of the issues with the plane.
This is why I asked to speak to your supervisor, because I shouldn't be walking into anywhere when I didn't do anything.
Okay.
And you visibly, as an officer, did not see me do anything. So how are you taking the word of a flight attendant and taking me to jail when you visibly did not see me committing a crime? I did not commit a crime. I did not do anything. I don't commit crimes.
You didn't get off the plane. When they asked you to get up and go, you didn't go.
No, that's not true.
If you did, then they would.
Well, technically, she did kind of go. Well, she went pee.
Have called us.
That's also not
17.
true.
Then why did they call us?
They called you because I can't explain to you why another grown human being did what they did. Grown human beings do a lot of things. I cannot explain that to you, but I personally did not commit a crime, and you guys are taking me to jail on the accordance that I committed a crime when I did not.
Okay.
They bullied me about peeing. Wow. I was being arrested, but that was because I had to use the restroom already. Sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell her I need to use the restroom, please? Like I said, I was bullied for that previously, so I would really like to use the restroom.
303, she's requesting to use the restroom.
Thank you.
Alrighty, ma'am. Come on in. Alrighty. Just push in a little bit if you can. I'm just going to grab the seatbelt here. Just give me a second. I'm going to turn the AC on for you, okay? Alrighty, ma'am. So this is the nursing staff here at the jail. They're going to talk to you first.
Is there anybody I could talk to about what happened to me, or just go through the motion?
We have to do this first, and then once we get inside, that's when you'll do everything else.
Yeah, what's your last name?
Alright, follow me right over here.
You know, I just realized.
What's that, ma'am?
United Airlines told me I stumbled into the thing.
Mm-hmm.
And my foot is the size of a rock because I sprained it yesterday. That's literally why they thought I was walking funny. My foot is huge, like humongous. Like you could see my ankles.
You said you sprained it, what, 2 days ago?
Yesterday. And they told me they thought I was drunk because I was walking funny. And I'm just not realizing I literally am limping. And that's what they were accusing me of. The difference is very clear. I'm very skinny, and this is double the size.
Come on over.
We're not about to take it off here. Appreciate you, Pepper.
Alrighty.
And I did that where?
At the police department. So when you're done here...
Airport?
Yes, ma'am. Alrighty. All I need from you, your signature here. After that, just raise your right hand, swearing that everything's the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes,
Perfect.
we were all there. We were all there. I just didn't get to see her assaulting you guys or anything like that. But,
Yeah, you were still on the aircraft at
but
that
she
time.
literally shoved her foot right at my nose. I was like totally grossed out because I'm like, who knows where that's been?
Well, yeah, that's
And I
right.
told her, I said, that's when she was peeing. I said, I cannot believe you're peeing on the plane. I'm not peeing. Maybe because I was, whatever she said. I was like, you sound stupid. I wanted to say you sound stupid.
The individual was taken into custody and faced the following allegations: interfering with flight operations, trespassing, resisting an officer, battery on a law enforcement officer.
Well, I guess that's it. Thank you for making it all the way to the end. This video was originally posted by Eagle Cam. So I posted the link to the original video down below. I advise you to go check out his channel. It's got a lot of great stuff on it. And be sure to send them lots of love when you're there by hitting like and subscribe. Speaking of a channel that has a lot of great stuff on it, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this channel, because it really does help our channel out. And if you did like this video, then maybe you'll like one of the ones that's appearing on your screen right now. Until next time, good night.